Safety on the road starts with a proper pre-trip inspection. That's why every Mack Pioneer uses smart tools to make the process simple and reliable. Let me show you how it works. To begin your pre-trip inspection on the co-pilot, press the menu button on the steering wheel. Navigate to Maintenance and press OK. Then select Pre-Trip Check and hit OK. Once the inspection runs, you'll see the results displayed. Green means no issues detected. Orange signals a warning condition that needs attention. Red means a critical issue has been detected and the truck will need service before it hits the road. There's also a built-in exterior light inspection. This feature cycles all of the exterior lights on and off, giving you a chance to walk around and visually confirm everything is working properly. You can activate the light inspection 3 different ways: by pressing the button on the light control panel next to the driver's door, from the pre-trip assistant menu in the co-pilot, or by long pressing the approach light button on the key fob. With Mack's pre-trip assistant, you can start every drive knowing your Pioneer is ready for the miles ahead.